I'm over here editing my video and I just noticed I'm mad disrespectful. I didn't even say my intro. So hey you guys, it's Denise with it, not Denise, so please don't call me that. If you're new to the channel, wait for you to subscribe, and if you're not, sis, where you been, because I gotta put you on. Back to the video. So hey guys, I was basically grumpy. I just woke up. I think it was about like 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, so I was over here. Look at me, poor little old me. But I'm about to get this hair together. This was my first attempt doing this ninja bun, believe it or not, and I was pretty impressed. So let me just show y'all what I do. I gotta get my little back pieces, you know, that I be curling, you know, giving real rosita, whatever. So I take that out, you know, let me get it together. Stella, stop. Yup, flat iron that, curl it, yup. I got that flat iron from Target, and listen, it works miracles. Like one pass and I'm good. So before I flat ironed like around the perimeter of my head, I actually blew dry my hair the night before. So yeah, just curling my little edges. And by all means, if you don't put heat on your head, you can honestly put some that's what I look like. You can honestly like put some rollers on your edges, and by the time you wake up, they'll be curled just like that flat iron did me. So yeah, I seen this technique where they put bobby pins to hold their edges together, which I never did. I don't even need to do that. I don't know why. You know, trying to do trends now. Yeah. I need to start looking more in the camera to show y'all what I do, like face front. But till then, this will do. There I go. That is my edge control. I live by that. I think that's the edge booster. Yeah, I don't care what smell it is. I just use them all because they always do the job. I'm just gonna put that around the perimeter of my head once again. I know some people like part their hair and they put gel or this in between like every layer of hair, but I'm not doing that. That's too much. But if you want this sleek look, you could, you know, take your time and do that. But me, I had to go to work. No, I'm lying. I had to go to class this morning. So yeah, this will have to do. Brush. Don't forget to brush your hair. You know, that's how you get this sleekness. It's not how much product you put in, it's how you move that product around and brush your hair down flat. Yup, get that hard old brush, girl. Go ahead. Watching little edges. Yup. Smooth, girl. So I'm just gonna get my scrunchie, put in my little top knot with my natural hair. Ooh, look how clean that look. Like, I know it looks like a hump in the back, but that's my head. So yeah, smooth. Put that up in a ponytail. I think next time I want to do a low ponytail. But yeah, look, turn around. So you want to grab, that's one bundle of hair. You want to make sure it is in two. I'll comb my hair. That's just me. Yup. Put half of it in the back, half to the front. Simple things, you know. Then you're going to get your scrunchie or whatever. Where my scrunchie at? Yep. Get your scrunchie. And just put that in a ponytail all in one. And be gentle with this part, because if you rough, honestly, the hair gonna be sliding and gliding. You don't want to do that. So boom, we done. Nah, I'm playing.
Stop playing. Stop! What the fuck is that? I'm scared.
So that piece, you always have to have a piece to like wrap around the bun, you know that little piece that just brings everything together, that hides the little hump. I think that's what it's for. Then I think I'm about to grab my spray. Come on, girl, where's the spray at? How is it holding? Yeah, I live by this spray now. Found it on TikTok and I can't stop using it. So you want to spray that as you're wrapping it around so you can secure it. Boom, simple. You could bobby pin it or you could just tuck it. I decided to tuck it. I really thought I was you know, that girl. Spray again. I had this blow dryer for years. So after you blow dry that down to secure it, you want to wrap your... I look so uncomfortable. Oh my gosh. You just want to start twisting the hair till you get the bun size that you want in height. Ooh, look at me. Yes, in height. So I was like, this is high enough. That's good. And then you just keep wrapping. Well, twisting, and then you just wrap it. Look at this. Yeah, twist, wrap. And don't worry about that. Y'all see that little slouch in the back? Don't even worry about that, because the more you twist and wrap, that'll go away. And you can do this as many times as you want until you get your bun to the desired look, but this was good enough for me. Get some bobby pins, secure it. And I didn't want to put too many bobby pins in my head, honestly, because I get headaches and migraines, so 2 or 3 will do for me. Just secure.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you secure it, that was good enough for me. I'm out of here. Let's go to the car and finish this. Car light as fuck. Might as well. Yeah, she don't be really getting what I be wanting, so I used to be addicted to apple juice, but I'm not anymore. I'm on to the better things, which is cranberry. Do you ever put me on? So let me just put y'all up like that. My favorite. Mad because I thought that's all they had, that brand. No, we like the Aunt Jemima. Gonna get the buttermilk, duh. So it was still early in the morning. As you can see, it was 11:46, but we was out since early. So yeah, I went to make me a little breakfast for me and my mom. You know, we got the eggs going to pink. Ooh, look at presentation. Y'all see that plate? Yeah. Always eating good. Good belly girl. My mom loves black coffee. And yeah, I made my little coffee on the side. Flip the lip. Look at the flip of the wrist. He's gay?
Yeah, I think he's playing gay.
They've been together for 17 years?
Alright, you ready to hear this?
I thank you guys for tuning in to my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and just comment. You know, let's be proactive on this. Let's grow this channel.
But wait! There's more!
Your body like a movie, if you get it work, man, if you try. I'm blind. Zito, one card, all kinds of help. What is a beautiful woman? You should see her face.
Tonight I might be risky. Bunny stomach, forget the whiskey.
Bye, have a beautiful time.